Okay, so how's everybody doing today? This is Rhonda Brazowick. For those of you who don't know me, depending what channel you're watching this on. Anyway, I wanted to come on here today and talk a little bit more about what is included in the 5-minute Reels offer that I have been promoting lately. I have been getting a lot of questions on it, so I just wanted to show you that this is a lot more than just templates, right? So I'm in my back office now that I use when I go here to download and get all the information that I need. Once you sign up, you will have access to this also. So when I come in here, you can see you can just skip the tutorials and download all the templates right here. But I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to show you exactly what you get and what is included, because this is a phenomenal opportunity and deal. Once you do purchase this, you do have the opportunity to become an affiliate for it also, like I chose to do because I think it's a good value. But anyway, so here you go. You're going to start here. There's a welcome video here. Okay, then there's the download. Here is 5-minute, the reels, the templates, the workflow. This is where you're going to download your templates. As you scroll down, here is a tutorial on how to customize these templates in Canva. And just as a side note, you can be using the free Canva and still utilize these templates. You do not have to have the paid version of Canva. You can be using the free version. So there's a complete tutorial that shows you how to customize these and make them your own, using your own branding colors, your own videos, your own pictures, whatever you want. So a lot of times when people use templates, they all look the same because you can't customize them, right? And that's one of the reasons why I do like these, because these are totally customizable so that you can make them your own and you're not looking the same as everybody else online. There are free viral content workshops that you can sign up for. They provide so much value, let me tell you. I can't even begin to tell you the value that 𝐂𝐬𝐬 provides here, and Jamie. This is a picture of 𝐂𝐬𝐬 and Jamie over here on the right. They are the owners of the Viral Marketing Stars. Okay, this tells you where you can become an affiliate if you'd like to become an affiliate. There is a private Facebook group here. So you can join this free group that's included also. People are going to have examples. You're going to be able to ask questions, get answers. If you go in here and you're having problems, there is online support in this Facebook community, which is awesome. Okay, here's a 5-minute Reels feedbacks and suggestions. So if you have some suggestions, you go in here and you're like, geez, this would be really good if they had this included in here. You can put some feedbacks and suggestions in here and they go through these, and who knows, they might take yours, or maybe somebody else or other people have had the same, suggestions. So they might update that if it's something that they think people want. As you can see, there's a quick start guide here. Here's a welcome to your quick start guide, how to post your first reel. There's all these trainings, Instagram Reels walkthroughs of all the features. So if you're not really sure how to do Reels, what you should be doing with your Reels, there's a complete walkthrough of all the features showing you how to use them, how to leverage drafts, how to batch create content in Reels, save yourself time, how to download these ready-to-made 5-minute Reels using the mobile app. If you're new to Instagram and you're using these on Instagram, here's a 25-minute detail on Instagram. Get you started on Instagram. Maybe you've been on Instagram for a while, but you're just not sure you're using it right, or you're not getting any traction. There could be a lot of information in here. Maybe you just don't even know, even though it's called Instagram 101. Right? You might pick up some little nuggets that you can use. Then you go into advanced viral reel tips. Here you go. Welcome to this. The _1 metric to focus on for virality, to go viral. How many reels should you be posting per week? How to find trends, trending sounds on Instagram. Most of this is geared towards Instagram. However, you can repurpose these 5-minute reels on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. So how do you do that? Should you do that, right? Here's another video on that. avoiding mistakes if you want to go viral. So here's some, tips and tricks on what to do to go viral. Here's some other products that they do offer down at the bottom. But as you can see, like the value added here is crazy. So it's not just, I'm going to stop sharing the screen here for a while so I can come right on here. So you're not just getting these templates thrown at you where you have to go in then and just, like when you go into Canva, they do have templates in Canva. However, what I do see a lot is people just use those templates, and you see everybody using those same templates because it can be very confusing if you don't know how to use them. The training alone for Reels in this is, worth the money for sure. So anyways, I just wanted to show everybody what was included, what you are getting, because the value is crazy value. And once again, here you can see on the bottom is the link if you want to go check it out, see some more details of what is included. This is my affiliate link here. I will also have this below the video, so you can just click on that if you want to check it out and see for yourself the value that's included. I will post that below the video. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to DM me on Facebook. I will have the link to my Facebook page also below this video for you. So I hope this helped show you about the value that you are getting, that this isn't just a bunch of templates being thrown at you, that there is a Facebook community and there is tons of support and tons of training videos to help you get the most out of these and use them on all of your social media platforms. So thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you soon.